Want a rapid update for you, issued at midday on Wednesday the 20th of November, brought to you in association with Easy Melt. And I'm Simon Keeling and this is weatherweb.net. Now, it's a cold look to things today. We've had rain clearing its way southwards, taking some pretty heavy hail with it. You see the line there across the cold front that cleared south. But we're going to be looking at some pretty heavy showers coming southwards during the course of this afternoon. Some of those turning to snow, particularly over high ground, and bringing some ice at lower levels too through the course of this evening. And we can track the progress of that. This is at 3 o'clock this afternoon. You see the area of showers here across the Midlands, across Wales, secondary area here. 3 hours later, the whole system has moved its way a little bit further southwards, look. And then into this evening, most of the focus for the rain looks to be through the Midlands, parts of central southern England, northeast England, Wales and southwest England. That's where we are going to be finding some snow on the hills. Also some snow on the hills of northern Scotland and also Northern Ireland too. Into midnight, still got rain through the Midlands, southern parts of England and northern and western Scotland. There again, falling snow on the hills, and again through those areas of the Midlands and southern England, still is snow. But generally, you see temperatures are going to be increasing a little bit because milder air comes around off the North Sea. And that's why we don't get the snow at low levels. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. And then we're going to be finding the rain and the showers down those eastern coasts across much of central and southern parts of England, again falling as snow on the hills. And by the morning, the rain is just clearing away down towards the south, but more showers being driven onto these northeast coasts. And then through tomorrow morning, residual stuff just clearing away from the southeast. Still 1 or 2 showers in the east, but generally it's a drier morning for all. Now, I was telling you about temperatures warming up. Well, this is 3 o'clock this afternoon. It's generally 3 to 5 degrees across most parts of England and Wales. Much colder look across central Scotland. Now, you'll notice we do see a cooling off of sorts by 6 o'clock this evening, but where we've got this northeasterly wind, you see temperatures hovering around 3s and 4s, but colder East Anglia, the far northeast as well. Then by 9 o'clock this evening, clearer skies across East Anglia, parts of northeast England bringing temperatures close to freezing, certainly down below across most of Scotland, also parts of northern England as well, but for most 3 or 4 degrees at the surface, but that's still cold enough for snow above about 200 metres. And then through the early hours of the morning, still left with this frost and also the frost across Scotland as well. But elsewhere, 2 to 4 degrees typically. But again, if we're getting rain falling in that, it's just not taking much to turn it to snow, particularly on high ground. And I wouldn't really rule out the risk of some slushy stuff at low levels either. 3 o'clock in the morning, and we're sort of 3 to 5 degrees then, having warmed up a little bit, the warmer air coming in off the North Sea. But still this frost across East Anglia, the southeast, and a sharp frost for Scotland and Ireland as well. Also notice the frost across northern England. So these areas again frosty through tomorrow morning. Could be frosty in the southeast. Ice to watch out for as well. But this milder air just coming in off the sea through these central areas. So plenty going on through this evening. Emphasis is definitely on snow over high ground, particularly central and southern parts of England and the northeast as well. A few snow showers for Scotland, but generally the idea of that slightly milder air coming round, which will just warm up surface levels. So once again, don't forget you can watch the fast forecast. Gary has all the latest on there for you, and the look ahead, which also Gary has for you today. So thanks again for watching weatherweb.net. Don't forget we're kept free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen. So when you come back and use the site and use the adverts, it's that keeps us free of charge. So thanks for doing that, and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.